Here is the thing. Building a membership coaching program for recurring income is easy. It's not hard if you approach it the right way. This is the message that I have for you today. It can be easy. Imagine that. It can be real easy to have 1, 2, 3K per month recurring income from the membership program that you created. It's easy actually to set it all up. It's easy to start getting the first few paying members. It's easy to then create successes with your members, and from that, those successes, those case studies, testimonials, then you get more referrals. All of this is easy. It doesn't need to be hard, and that's the problem that everyone has. You need to learn how in a simple way build a membership program, sign the first members paying you, and then put systems in place so you can go to 30, 40, 50 members paying you, right? And all of that can be done in a very smooth, easy, flowy and attractive way. Now, let me tell you how to approach it, how to build it, how I did it. If I would have someone to guide me, it would be easier for me as well, right? But I needed to kind of go through all the hard works as well. I needed to learn all the ins and outs to be able to have a recurring monthly income now from my membership coaching program, right? For me, it was both. Kind of sometimes easy because I was lucky, because I put in a lot of hard work, right? And for you, doesn't need to be hard. If you follow my guide and what I have to say to you, what I have to share with you, it can be very easy for you. How I approach growing and building my membership program right now is that I am very attractive, right? So I'm not trying to chase for new clients and chase people and get them to pay me. I don't want to sell. I'm not trying to sell, right? I am rather attractive. I want people to come to me, and they do. So that's the first step, right? Being able to accept a person paying you, right? It won't be easy for you if you can't even accept the member paying you. You gotta set up your membership program first. I suggest you to use the Skool app to host it, right? And optimize the Skool app so you can get a paying member, right? I teach you how to create a $97 per month membership coaching program, right? Into which you can accept members. You guide them to certain outcome through the course of yours, through group weekly coaching call, through the community that they also get as part of your $97 a month program, right? And that's the step one. Hey, put it all in place for yourself first, right? Set it all up. Otherwise, later things won't be easy because you can't even accept a paying member and serve them as part of your program, right? Set it all up. Now, secondly, you want to create pathways through which people can come to you. And that's very much related to two things. First of all, being findable through content, right? Secondly, how can you have certain automatic ways through which people can be converted into becoming your leads, so then you can put them into your paid membership program, right? So I run a YouTube channel, and I have my LinkedIn, I have a little Facebook something, and Instagram, right? And from those places, right, I move people and I capture them to my email list, right? So I have all of these three systems already in place, right? Being attractive on social media, from my YouTube channel, people watch my YouTube videos, they join my email list, right? Either they come to my free school, they give me their email, they opt in through any other pages, or maybe they sign for my weekly webinar class. The point is, I get people to my email list, and that's why it's all easy, right? Because people find me on their own through content that I post. So yeah, you gotta post content on Facebook, LinkedIn, if you have some Instagram, right, or so, or do a YouTube channel. Post content so you are findable, right? Because that's what makes you attractive, right? Creating social media content creates that authority, and it makes you findable, and then people can click and they can come to you. They, in my case, come to my email list and so on. And the CRM of mine, the email marketing software, serves me as a conversion tool through which I get a person then paying me, right? So I built a system around having an email marketing software in place. How this now works is, for example, if someone opts in for my webinar class that I do on a weekly basis, right, free class, right, they gonna then get a few emails They're gonna come to my webinar class, and at the webinar class then, right, I'm gonna go later after the class, switch the tag that they attended, and it's gonna send another email to them to get them into my book a call with me, or just introduce them to the next step of my paid membership program they can then join, right? So that's a mini automated system that's related to my webinar class, right? And it's all hosted, the landing page is hosted in my CRM software. The other thing that I have in place is a simple application page, scheduling page. From YouTube or from those places, from social media, I get people to schedule a call with me where I provide them with guidance, right? So people book a call with me. Again, I have it here on the email marketing software in the CRM. I have the application booking page. It's like Calendly page, but I do it on Go High Level app that I give to my members as well. It's a CRM, right? People book a call with me, and I talk to them. And they came to me, you see, they booked a call, right, with me from YouTube channel or from other places. And then I talk to them and sign them into my membership program, right? Another thing that I do is I have 2 other lead magnets. One of them is simple 10-minute video masterclass that I give away to people. After they watch the video masterclass, right, they opted in, I got their email, they will get another email, welcome email from me, and they will be invited to book a call with me after the masterclass. You see, they came to me now. I talked to them on a call then, and I signed them into my membership program, right? Now, another thing that I recently did was I wrote a 15-step email sequence. 15 emails that will be sent to a new lead that opted into my email list, right? In a period of 2 months. Imagine that, 15 emails in 2 months to that one person who opted in, right? And those emails will educate them on my knowledge. So I provide a lot of value, and I do at least 4 sales pitches in those 15 emails. I try to get a person to click the link and book a call with me or apply, right? Or I try to get a person to click the link and join my paid $97 per month membership program on their own from automated email sequence, right? So that's my whole point here. It can be very easy if you set it all up correctly, if you know how to set it up. I know how to set it up. I can even teach you how to follow my guide and set it all up for yourself. I have another point to share with you, but so that you know, find my Skool community down below. It's a free Skool community with a course, 3-step course of how to set up your own paid membership program, where you charge people $97 a month for your knowledge, your community, your course, your coaching calls, right? I teach it all to you in my free Skool classroom. Find the link down below and start setting it all up for yourself. And to be honest, if you're gonna open Skool with my invitation link, then I can guide you and coach you kind of for free, right? Because Skool gives me a little commission, for example. And if you just do that, it's not gonna cost you anything extra, right? I can coach you for free. Find the link, more info about that down below. And also, I'm looking for a few people right now who I'm gonna really help to succeed in exchange for them sending some other coaches to me. Here is the thing that relates to this last point that I want to tell you why it's so easy. I have 30 plus members in my membership program right now, and I am focused on getting people successes. If I only get someone a success, transformation, results, right, and create awesome success case studies, guess what? This person will want, in exchange, not just do a video case study testimonial with me, but also maybe they're gonna refer more people to me. Okay, it's called referral marketing, word of mouth marketing, and that's why it's so easy. Because your existing members who are succeeding can refer to you more people. You just need to ask them, hey, who else do you know? Now, here is the final point here, right? If you join with me, the forces, me and you work together, right? Find the info down below, right? We help one another. If you are willing to send another 2 or 3 other coaches over to me after, of course, you experienced my value, I am willing to help you grow your membership program and really get you results, right? So this is a 2-way collab here. I will help you create your Skool membership program, sign the first 5, 10, 15 people paying you, and we'll put some automated systems in place for attraction, so it's all easy then for you, right? And in exchange, you're gonna want to simply think of 2 or 3, 4 other coaches who you know of that could also benefit of my value. You're gonna send them over to me. We'll talk about how that works, right? You're gonna just introduce them to me. I'm gonna talk to them, and if I sign them into my membership program later, I also give you $40 per month, 40% commission. Every month's gonna come to you, $40 per month. Passive income, because we signed that person into my program through your referral recommendation, right? So I'm saying this loud right now, because if you're willing to help me, I'll help you create your own program and start being paid as an online coach, recurringly monthly, the same way as I am right now. I have 30 plus people paying me a monthly fee to be part of my coaching experience, and I have affiliate income as well on top or so, and I am making monthly recurring income that comes in all the time. And you can do the same thing if you just follow my guide, find the steps down below, take action, explore around, and you're gonna be provided with guidance and with quite a few opportunities for me and you to work together and help you grow. And in exchange, you can help me grow as well. And we are both very, very happy. Find all the info down below, but that's my knowledge point of today. It can be very easy if you know how to do it, right? That's how I do it. It's very easy for me. I have my membership program. I can accept new members right now because I already set it up. It's recurring income if you run a membership program, right? That's the first thing. Secondly, I am able to capture leads in my email marketing CRM software, right? And turn those leads into paid members semi-automatically through a few ways. Thirdly, I am very attractive. I create a lot of YouTube videos, right? I post a lot of stuff in my free Skool community. I also have LinkedIn, Facebook accounts, for example, Instagram, and I send emails to my email list, right? So I provide them with a lot of valuable content, and I am very attractive. People come to me because I'm attractive, and they convert then into my program, right? And the last point, you can get your successful members refer to you more members, all right? If you get them successes and case studies, all right? So you know, that's how it all works. It's quite easy now for me while I'm doing the whole thing, right? And it can be easy for you. Find more info down below, take the first few steps. I have a free course. If you want to help me, I'll help you and stuff like that. I already talked about it, right? But yeah, thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm vlogging also my journey to going to 100 members and so on, right? And I'm teaching you the nuggets all the time, right? Follow along, see ya. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Remember, it can be easy. You can manifest it all into your life if you approach it with the right attitude, mindset, and effort, right? Let it be easy. See ya.